Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Jackie here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my updated brow routine. So just to get things started, I always like to start off with nice clean brows, and I'm cleaning my brows with a straight razor. This is just my tool of choice, but you can use whatever you like to clean your brows, and I only clean under my brow. I don't really clean above my brow because I'm still trying to let my brows grow out, if they can grow out anymore. I'm trying. So once I've cleaned them up, I just want to comb them in the direction that they grow. And now I'm going to go into the brow with my Absolute New York brow pencil in the shade Smoke. And I'm just going to sketch out the natural shape of my brow and extending my tail slightly. I do like to have a slight tail, not too long, not too dramatic, but being that my brows aren't that bold, I like to just exaggerate them a little bit, but still following the natural shape of my brow. And it really matters how you hold your pencil, guys. Like, do not hold your pencil at the base of the pencil as if you were writing with it, because it's going to automatically allow you to draw your brows on darker. Like, it's like you're pressing on. You don't want to do that. You want to hold it and feather the strokes. So as I'm drawing my outline, I'm feathering as I'm filling in. And when at the beginning of my brow, you see I'm feathering upward. I want to make it look like hair-like strokes, so I'm feathering upward, and then I'm going to comb it in with the opposite side of the pencil. As you can see, I'm doing them in different directions. So when I outline the top of my brow, I'm feathering down. And then when I outline the bottom of my brow, I feather up. And then once you blend it in with the opposite side of the pencil, everything blends in nicely and it looks like hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brow with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Natural Sand. And yes, I am using the applicator straight out of the tube. It does just as good as a brush, but considering that it has more product on it, it gives you more of that precise look. But you want to make sure that you're not taking this straight out of the tube and applying it to your eye, because it has too much product. You want to wipe off any excess product and then go from there. So for the top, I'm just going to apply a little bit to the top, and then I'm going to go in with my brush. So basically, I'm applying the concealer and I'm picking up the product with my brush and carving out the top of my brow. I want to make sure that my brows are super sharp, so this is the best way that works for me. The brush that I'm using is just a flat concealer brush, and it came out of a set by Jessup that I ordered off of eBay. But you can use any flat concealer brush. The key is just to make sure that you have enough product on the brush to give you that precise look. So I did use a little bit more product than normal because I went ahead and did an eye look after this. But on a normal day, you will not need that much product. So I'm just blending out that concealer with my Morphe M173 brush, and then just fading out the beginning of my brow to make it look more natural. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other brow. Now, the secret with me in doing my brows is that I always do my favorite brow first. So my favorite brow, of course, was the one that I did first, and it has the perfect shape that I like. This brow that I'm doing now, I don't know what's going on with this, so I really have to kind of almost reshape it. So I use the other brow as a guide. So as you can see, I keep checking it, and I keep looking back and forth to see if I'm making sure that it's almost the same. Now, they're not twins, they're not going to be identical, but you can try to get them as much as alike as they can be, if that makes sense. So yeah, like I'm really like I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my brows. I need my brows to look identical if possible, because my brows are everything. Like, if you don't have any other makeup on, your brows make a statement. Your brows make a statement anyway. So you want to make sure that they are on point. And again, like I said, I'm just doing the same exact process as the first brow. So now that I've gotten my brows the way I would like them, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyebrow sealer. Now, I've been working on my eyebrow sealer for a while now, and it still is not ready, guys, but I'm still working on it. I ran into a couple of hiccups, but hopefully it will be something that I will be putting out very soon. But yeah, I'm just applying my eyebrow sealer, and then I'm going to take that wand off the opposite end of the pencil and just comb my hairs in upward motion, making sure that everything is in place and locked and loaded. And that's it, guys. I could actually wear my brows just like this without applying any more makeup. Or as I went ahead and I did a look after these brows. So let me know if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.